On January 5, 1933, construction began on one of the greatest engineering marvels, the Golden Gate Bridge. Spanning nearly 2 miles, this iconic structure connects San Francisco to Marin County. Imagine a foggy morning, workers armed with steel and courage, defying the odds to build what many thought impossible. Over 4 years, thousands labored, using groundbreaking techniques that revolutionized bridge building. Today, the Golden Gate isn't just a bridge. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and dreams soaring through clouds. What's the most iconic bridge you've crossed? Let me know in the comments. Like and comment if you enjoy history, and subscribe to always learn something new.